Hi guys, it's Kinky and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little bit of an update of what I've been doing to my hair and a product review, but not what you think. So my hair has been in this protective style for 3 weeks, going on 4 weeks now. It has been in 2-strand twist and packed like this off my neck and off my face. I use Talia Waji's Coily Curl Cream and the Great Detangler to twist my hair, and I love this brand. I just love this brand. It works so well for my hair, and that's like, I just have to say it. Anyway, the product review is going to be about an area with hair but not on my head. Yes, my bikini line. So this summer I told myself that down there is going to be clean, smooth and bumps free, and I meant it, but I wasn't sure what was going to happen, but thankfully and luck for me, it happened. On Instagram I came across this product, Pure Tropics. I know most of you guys have seen it. You've seen their before and after pictures and success stories of the products, and I decided to go and order it. What I don't usually do is order before I go online to see reviews or go on YouTube to see reviews, but it just so happened that that was how it went at this particular time. That was just how the arrangement was this particular time. So I ordered the ingrown hair prevention serum, I guess, and I ordered the scar and blemish serum. The ingrown hair prevention serum came with this little brush pad. It's kind of hard, but I guess it's to really get off those dry skin and really unclog the pores down there, so that your hair can grow out straight and not, and so your hair can grow out straight and you don't have the bent ingrown hair. So yeah, I've been using this for like almost a month, if not a month now. I started using it twice a day, then I stopped using it twice a day and started using it once a day. When down there it just became clear. I guess there was no need for me to keep using it twice a day if down there is, so I just used it once a day. When I went online to check out the review, it was really bad. It was really bad. Like, I felt bad and I wasn't expecting anything much from this product, but luckily for me it worked, and I will be using Pure Tropics till something better comes along, if something better comes along. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing to my hair here, protecting it and keeping it wrapped up, and then for down there, taking care of it, rubbing my scar and blemish serum and my ingrown hair prevention serum to keep them bump and lump free. If you guys have any other questions for me, please comment down below, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.